Hey, Total Wellness Fuel family! Join me as I dive into the world of vitamins and challenge myself to incorporate the most revolutionary ones into my daily routine for a whole month. When it comes to optimizing our health, there's one crucial aspect that often gets overlooked: vitamins. These tiny powerhouses play a massive role in keeping our bodies running like well-oiled machines, and yet many of us neglect to prioritize them in our daily routines. Today we're going to change that. We're going to explore the transformative power of vitamins and how they can revolutionize our health for life. I've placed the official link to some amazing vitamins in the description. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. And stick with me until the end, because I've got an important alert you won't want to miss. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Fatigue, brain fog, and constant illness. These are just a few of the common health issues that can stem from vitamin deficiencies. When we don't get enough of the essential nutrients our bodies need, it can lead to a whole host of problems that can drastically impact our quality of life. And the scariest part is, many of us don't even realize we're deficient in the first place. I mean, how many of us have been told we're just tired or stressed when in reality, our bodies are crying out for the nutrients they need to function properly? The consequences of vitamin deficiencies can be far-reaching. Weakened immunity, chronic diseases, and even mental health conditions like depression and anxiety can all be linked to a lack of essential vitamins and nutrients. And it's not just about feeling sluggish or run down. Vitamin deficiencies can have serious long-term consequences for our health if left unchecked. The good news is, it's never too late to make a change. By incorporating the right vitamins into our daily routines, we can start to see dramatic improvements in our health and well-being. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today: the specific vitamins that can have a transformative impact on our health. Let's start with vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. This essential nutrient is responsible for regulating our mood, energy levels, and immune system, and yet, it's estimated that over 40% of adults are deficient. Vitamin D can be found in fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products, and the recommended daily intake is around 600 to 800 IU. By getting enough vitamin D, we can boost our mood, energy levels, and overall health. Next up is omega-3 fatty acids, the game-changing vitamins that can revolutionize our heart health. These powerful anti-inflammatories can be found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, and the recommended daily intake is around 500 to 1000 mg. By incorporating omega-3s into our daily routine, we can reduce our risk of heart disease, inflammation, and even depression. Vitamin B12 is another essential nutrient that's often overlooked. This energy-boosting vitamin is responsible for regulating our metabolism, nerve function, and heart health, and can be found in animal products, fortified plant-based milk, and supplements. The recommended daily intake is around 2.4 to 2.6 micrograms, and by getting enough vitamin B12, we can boost our energy levels, improve our mood, and even support weight loss. But what about the most powerful vitamin of them all, vitamin C? This antioxidant powerhouse is responsible for regulating our immune system, skin health, and even our mood. Vitamin C can be found in citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens, and the recommended daily intake is around 60 to 90 milligrams. By incorporating vitamin C into our daily routine, we can boost our immune system, reduce inflammation, and even support collagen production. One of the most impressive testimonials I've come across is from a woman who suffered from chronic fatigue syndrome for years. After incorporating high doses of vitamin C into her daily routine, she reported a complete turnaround in her health, more energy, improved mood, and even a reduction in her chronic pain. And the science backs it up. Studies have shown that high doses of vitamin C can have a dramatic impact on our health, from reducing inflammation to boosting our immune system. But it's not just about individual vitamins. Sometimes it's about finding the right combination that works for us. I've heard countless testimonials from people who've seen dramatic improvements in their health after incorporating a combination of vitamins into their daily routine. From improving their energy levels to reducing their risk of chronic disease, the transformative power of vitamins is undeniable. Here's the important alert. These vitamins are only available through their official website. To avoid counterfeit products and ensure you get the full guarantee, make sure to click the link in the description to order your authentic vitamins today. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? Vitamins have the power to transform our health in ways we never thought possible. By incorporating the right vitamins into our daily routine, we can improve our energy levels, boost our immunity, and even reduce our risk of chronic disease. And it's not just about taking a pill or supplement. It's about making a conscious decision to prioritize our health and well-being every single day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe for more health tips and share your experiences with vitamins in the comments below. Let's take control of our health and start living the life we deserve.